Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you download apps from Apple App Store. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So here, what you want to do is you simply want to open up your App Store on your iPhone, and next thing you'll be then taken to this sort of page. So here, what you could do is you could simply go ahead and tap on the search box in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen and look for a specific app that you want to get it so. Or else you could also tap on the apps from the center of the screen. You could see here. And if you click on the apps button, then you could go ahead and look for all the free apps as well. If you want to go for the free apps, you want to click on see all. The next thing you'll be able to find the applications. So here, you want to go ahead and click on the get option in order to and then you could actually go ahead and add a payment method as well. This might only be necessary if you are getting a purchased app, or it might not be necessary if you're getting a free ones. So if you have this interface, you want to make sure to enter the details as well, or else you could just do it with your Face ID or maybe an iCloud ID, all that, and click on the done button. You're able to see this sort of interface which indicating that application is being downloaded, and that is the way you could use App Store to install application. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.